Hi, my name is Farin. I'm from Singapore. This place is just fantastic. It's my first time here, and the grave, I'm quite surprised they can do it. Put it in the parallel vertical positions. And with my guide, Mr. Aru here, he's one of the best in here. I would really recommend him for the guide. This place is just marvelous and fantastic.
I'm Cristante. I'm French and I live in Jakarta, but I'm visiting the TORAJA country right now, and it's just beautiful. I love it. I love the culture, I love the people, I love the food. Everything's very nice.